Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to continue downloading in sleep mode. Chapter 1. How to continue downloading in sleep mode from Power Plan. To begin, enter Power in the search box. Select Edit Power Plan. Here, on Turn off the display and put the computer to sleep state, set the value Never. After, click on Change Advanced Power Settings. In the Hard Disk section, click on Settings, Minutes, to turn off hard disk after. Set the value to 360. Click on Apply and OK. After this, click Save Changes. Chapter 2. How to continue downloading in sleep mode from settings. To begin, press on Start and select Settings. After, in the System section, click on Power. Now click on Screen and Sleep. On the available option, select the Never option to prevent the system from blocking your downloads in sleep mode. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.